As a South African-based company, Company Partners is no stranger to load shedding and the impact it can have on business productivity. We recently got rid of our noisy, expensive generator and traded it in with a reliable backup system by the Solar Agnecy. The entire installation took just 1 day and 2 experienced installers. The Solar Agnecy team came well equipped to install our tailor-made inverter system. Our team was so excited and amazed by how professionally the installation was done. The service was seamless and helped us make a stress-free transition to solar energy. The outcome? A beautiful masterpiece that will help our company beat load shedding for good. And the best part, we got this entire setup for just under 2,000 Rand per month. Needless to say, our team couldn't be happier.
The kettle is working, I can work with the second screen now. Just flow with productivity.
It's like R2000.
Installation was done so professionally.
Bye loadshedding.
And thank you, the Solar Agnecy.